best DisplayPort to HDMI cables delivers stable, high-resolution video, smooth refresh rates, and reliable audio transmission for modern monitors and gaming setups. My today's video is about top 5 best DisplayPort to HDMI cables for monitors that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at BenFi 4K DisplayPort to HDMI 6 feet cable. The BenFi DisplayPort to HDMI cable delivers dependable performance for anyone connecting a PC or a laptop to an HDMI monitor, projector, or TV. Its advanced IC chip ensures stable signal conversion with smooth video output and accurate data transmission, making it ideal for work, streaming, and gaming. The cable supports up to 4K resolution at 30 Hz and full HD 1080p at 60 Hz, producing sharp visuals with clear, synchronized audio pass-through for an immersive viewing experience. Gold-plated connectors improve conductivity while resisting corrosion, helping maintain consistent signal quality over time. The durable nylon braided exterior and reinforced strain relief design provide excellent protection against bending and daily wear, making it suitable for long-term heavy use. Although it only converts DisplayPort to HDMI and not the reverse, its reliable compatibility and sturdy construction make it a valuable upgrade for modern display setups. The included 18-month warranty adds extra confidence and peace of mind. Now our second product is Amazon Basics DisplayPort to HDMI cable. This DisplayPort to HDMI cable is a reliable solution for connecting a DisplayPort-enabled computer to an HDMI monitor, projector, or HD TV with excellent audio and video quality. Designed strictly for one-way transmission, it efficiently sends signals from DisplayPort to HDMI, making it ideal for dual monitor setups, mirror displays, presentations, and home entertainment. The cable supports resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz and delivers crisp visuals alongside uncompressed digital audio, including 7.1 and 5.1 surround sound for a more immersive experience. Gold-plated connectors, bare copper conductors, and advanced foil and braid shielding work together to reduce interference while maintaining stable, high-quality signal transmission. Its sturdy construction improves durability and ensures consistent performance during everyday use. While it is not compatible with USB-A ports, Thunderbolt docks, or LVDS signal sources, the cable performs exceptionally well within its intended purpose. For users needing a dependable DisplayPort to HDMI connection, this cable offers strong compatibility, clear output, and long-lasting build quality. Our third product is Worky 4K DisplayPort to HDMI cable. The Worky DisplayPort to HDMI cable stands out as a premium choice for users seeking dependable 4K connectivity and long-lasting durability. It delivers impressive 4K UHD resolution at 30 Hz while supporting smoother 1440p and 1080p refresh rates, making it excellent for remote work, streaming, gaming, and multi-monitor setups. Visual output remains sharp and fluid with minimal lag, creating a noticeably better viewing experience on monitors, TVs, and projectors. The aluminum alloy shell, combined with 24K gold-plated connectors and advanced 5-layer shielding, ensures stable signal transmission with clean audio support for 7.1 and 5.1 surround sound. Its nylon braided jacket feels exceptionally durable and is designed to survive over 16,000 bends without losing flexibility, making it ideal for daily heavy use. Compatibility with desktops, laptops, GPUs, and various HDMI displays adds strong versatility. Although the cable only works from DisplayPort to HDMI, its reliable performance, premium construction, and responsive customer support make it an excellent value for modern setups. Now number 4, SOX DisplayPort to HDMI cable 10 feet. This DisplayPort to HDMI cable is a dependable solution for users who need a stable and long-distance connection between a DisplayPort computer and an HDMI display. Its unidirectional design ensures efficient signal conversion from DisplayPort to HDMI, making it ideal for office workstations, home entertainment systems, presentations, and multi-monitor setups. The cable supports resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz, 2K at 60 Hz, and 1080p at 120 Hz, delivering sharp visuals and smooth, everyday performance for both productivity and media viewing. The generous 10-foot length provides excellent flexibility, especially for larger desk arrangements, conference rooms, or TV connections where shorter cables become limiting. Its durable nylon-braided exterior enhances protection against daily bending and wear, helping maintain a clean and reliable setup over time. The included troubleshooting guidance is also helpful for quickly resolving no-signal issues caused by incorrect input selection or unsupported resolutions. While it only works from DisplayPort to HDMI, the cable performs reliably within its intended use and offers solid value for long-term display connectivity. And our last choice is U-Green 4K DisplayPort to HDMI cable. The U-Green DisplayPort to HDMI cable delivers impressive reliability and visual performance for users connecting DisplayPort-enabled devices to HDMI displays. Supporting resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz, 2K at 60 Hz, and 1080p at 120 Hz, it provides sharp image quality and smooth motion for work, entertainment, and gaming. Mirror and extend display modes add flexibility, making it easy to create productive multi-screen setups or enjoy media on larger displays. With support for connecting up to 6 screens, the cable works especially well for professional workstations and advanced desktop configurations. Its DP 1.2 bandwidth ensures stable transmission with reduced flickering and excellent audio quality, including uncompressed 7.1 surround sound support. The durable aluminum housing, double shielding, and tinned copper construction improve signal stability while enhancing heat dissipation. A strong nylon-braided jacket adds long-term durability far beyond standard PVC cables. Although it is not compatible with HDMI source devices like gaming consoles or MacBooks, the cable performs exceptionally well for DisplayPort to HDMI applications and offers excellent value for dependable high-resolution connectivity. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.